Hello everyone, I wanted to show you today we've got three 11790s lined up here just before they head out to customers. So they're rigged up on our VNT 250 highway trailers. Things are hotting up for the season now. Product is pouring in container loads from the US SnowEx factory, and product is pouring out the door too. So quick turnaround on these machines, but as you can see behind us, we've got every single SnowEx product in stock now ready to go for the season. So just a little bit about these 11790s here. So this is the biggest machine in our range, 1700 litre capacity. So we do a smaller machine, the 11780, which you'll see on the top of the stack up there, which is 1100 litre capacity. And they will both fit on this dual axle VNT 250 highway going trailer. So every single bed mounted machine that we offer in the SnowEx and Polar One range can be mounted on our highway going trailers. So that's a capacity range of 268 litres all the way up to 1700 litres. One other key thing to bear in mind with the option of going trailed is it does give you extra flexibility. So you can hook up straight on the back of any towing vehicle with the towing capacity for these machines, and you don't then need to be mounting and demounting onto a flatbed. Quite quick and easy to change and hook up and go when you're onto your night shift. You can also take these machines straight off the highway chassis here and mount them straight on your vehicle bed. So if you did want them mounted, you've got the flexibility to do so. Obviously you can see dual axle highway trailer here for the bigger units. When we go down smaller in the range, we have a single axle trailer as well. So that keeps it more compact front to back and keeps you more nimble, getting in and out of tighter sites where you might have tight areas to get around and maneuver.